Why do some people walk into a room and immediately gain respect, while others get overlooked, interrupted, or underestimated? It's not about appearance. It's not about wealth. It's psychology. And today, you're going to learn a powerful trick that can instantly transform the way people perceive you. Most people believe respect takes years to build. But the reality is, people decide how to treat you within moments. So if you fail to shape that first impression, people may lose respect for you before you even say a single word. Trick 1: speak less, but speak with intention. People who talk excessively often appear uncertain. But people who speak less often seem more confident and influential. This is known as the scarcity principle. When something is limited, it feels more important. So instead of constantly trying to impress others, pause for a moment. Think first, then speak. And when you do speak, stay clear and confident. Avoid unnecessary explanations. That alone makes people pay attention. Trick 2: learn the strength of silence. Silence feels awkward to most people, and that's exactly why it becomes powerful. When someone cuts you off, don't react instantly. Stay calm. Pause for a second and maintain eye contact. After you finish talking, don't rush to fill every silent moment. Let the silence remain. This creates subtle pressure, and people naturally begin to take you more seriously. Confident people don't run after conversations. They guide them. Trick 3: create boundaries without fear. If you agree to everything, people slowly stop valuing your time. Respect grows from healthy limits. Use simple phrases like, "I'm not comfortable with that. I'll think about it. Maybe another time." No frustration. No long justifications. Just quiet confidence. The moment you begin respecting your own time, others start respecting it too. Trick 4: master your body language. Before you even speak, your body is already sending signals. Stand tall. Maintain strong eye contact. Move calmly and with control. Rushed movements often signal nervousness. Calm movements signal confidence. Your presence should quietly say, "I know my value," even without saying much. Here's the truth. People don't respect you simply because you're kind. They respect you because you respect yourself. The moment you stop seeking approval, respect starts coming naturally. If you enjoy psychology-based content like this, make sure to subscribe, because the next video might completely change the way people look at you.